Hi everybody, it's Thomas here from Thomas Fitzgerald Photography and welcome to this week's Street Photo Diary. I'm here in Dublin today on a lovely sunny spring day. It's middle of February, it's still a bit chilly, and we'll be mostly shooting kind of a combination of street and cityscape photography today. It's nice and quiet in the city this morning, so I'm here in kind of some of the back streets. We're in a place called Sink Street, which you might know from the movie. Yes, this is actually a real place, and so that's where we're starting off. We're on the south side of the city and I'm going to see what we can get. So today I'm shooting with the X-Pro2 and the 18 to 55mm lens, and yes, on top of this we have a GoPro so that you can see what I'm shooting, and we'll see how we get on. So I've been shooting for about half an hour now, and so far the light's been pretty good, but things are starting to get clouded over now, and the colour's kind of going a bit weird, so I'm probably going to switch to shooting black and white. I had been shooting mostly in the standard Provia profile, so I'm going to shoot black and white now. I'm probably going to use RAW for all these anyway, so it doesn't really matter, but just kind of to have an idea of what's going on in the camera when I'm kind of looking at things and checking things back. So I'm going to use the street photo recipe that I have in my new Fuji Jpeg guide. So yes, shameless plug here. And so basically what that is using acros with the shadows pushed up a bit, so on +4, and highlights actually +1 as well, kind of just to give you that extra bit of contrast, and using DR200 or 400, I can't remember which. I have it set in the camera anyway. I have it stored as one of the custom settings, so I'm going to switch to that now, and we'll see how we get on. And of course, as soon as I do that, the sun will come back out and everything will be nice and perfect again. But as I said, I'm going to be shooting, I'm going to be using RAW for these, so it doesn't really matter.
the hills to take it all back somehow. We're taking it back somehow. Oh no, we don't need another warfare. Wolf at the door. Oh no, we don't need another warfare. Wolf at the door. Oh no, we've been through all this so many times before. Oh no, we don't need another warfare. Wolf at the door. Just like
So I'm here in Dublin's Temple Bar now, and this is kind of the main kind of touristy spot inside Dublin. My batteries are now getting low, so and the GoPro's nearly dead. The X-Pro2 is almost dead, and my vlogging camera's nearly dead as well. So I think I've got a good morning in. We got a good few shots, and hopefully something will come out. But I think mostly everything kind of came out okay. Hopefully. We'll see when we get back. So that's pretty much it for this episode of Street Photo Diary, and we will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.
so many